Hey, what's going on, guys? Tasche here, and guys, in this video, we're going to be doing another WoW app training, and today, I'm going to share with you my 100 WoW coins per day strategy. But before we get into that, guys, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe, because I post videos every single day on internet marketing, ways to make money online, and ways that are going to help you become a successful home business entrepreneur. Also, if you'd like to see my recommended resource for making money from home, you want to see what I'm doing, go ahead and click the link in the description, and I'll share more with you on how exactly you can do that. So with that, guys, let's get into the strategy. So, guys, with Wowapp, the whole concept is to complete offers, do surveys, etc., test out apps, and get paid for doing so. And you can do everything completely free. There are some paid offers you can try out, but you can do everything 100% free, never pay anything to participate. So what happens is Wowapp, they will advertiser will contact with Wowapp, and Wowapp will present you the offers. And as you complete the offers, Wowapp is going to be paid by the advertisers, and they're going to take 25% of what they earn, and then 75% of that is going to be split amongst the network. So, let's say you have an offer that you complete that says you're going to earn 75 WoW coins. Okay. Well, you're going to earn all 75 WoW coins, but that means that Wowapp has actually earned $1 from the advertiser, because every WoW coin is worth 1 penny. So 75 WoW coins is 75 cents. Okay, so 100 will be $1. So you're going to earn everything you see that's listed. You're going to earn, and you're also going to earn a percentage of what your network earns. So, for example, the doing good, which is your charities, Wowapp's going to donate 5% to the charities of what's being brought in, what you're bringing in. And then your level 1, you're going to earn 10% off your level 1, which is your direct referrals. You're going to earn 5% off your level 2, 2.5% off your level 3, 1.25% off your level 4, 0.62% off your level 5, 0.31% off your level 6, 0.15% off your level 7, and also the same on your level 8. So it doesn't look like a lot when you look at it right here, but if you see, when you look at my strategy and you see how you can actually generate a large amount of income, you're going to be actually shocked by what you see. You're going to see how simple it is and easy it is to actually earn a great income with Wowapp. So let me go ahead and pull up my presentation. And with this, guys, we're going to start with again, this is my 100 coins per day, or my 100 WoW coins per day strategy. And if you're if you've never joined Wowapp before, if you came to this video through a link that I sent out, or maybe you found this on YouTube, go ahead and click the link in the description, and you can get yourself signed up for free. If someone has sent you to this video, maybe it was your sponsor in Wowapp, or maybe someone who wants to show you how much you can earn with Wowapp potentially, go ahead and make sure you sign up with that person. Make sure you get back with them and get their link, okay? So let's go ahead and get into the strategy, guys. And again, it's going to be really simple here, but you're going to be excited about how easy it is to do. So 100 WoW coins per day strategy. Okay, very easy to do. That's you earning 100 WoW coins directly yourself each day, which is $1 a day, basically. And you can do that within 1 or 2 offers, if that. Okay, very simple. So the core strategy here, guys, is you're going to get 10 direct referrals, and it's really easy to do more if you there's a way to set your profile up to where it'll be public instead of private, and this way Wowapp will actually rotate your profile. When people go to wowapp.com, it will rotate your profile, so you get potentially get a lot of free signups without doing anything. I mean, I've got over 160 plus signups, and most of them were just for leaving my profile public. Okay, and it's really easy to do. So all you need is to get for this strategy to work is to have 10 direct referrals. Okay, 10 direct referrals who are actually going to do something. Okay, you want to make sure they're going to do something. They're actually going to be active. And then you want to yourself earn 100 WoW coins per day yourself, which is $1 a day. 1 WoW coin equals 1 cent, so 100 equals $1 US. And then duplicate, or basically teach your team to do the same. Okay, so the way it works, you yourself are going to earn 100 WoW coins per day, or $1 a day. And again, you can do that with a couple of surveys. Maybe sometimes it's one survey or one offer you can do and be done for the day. Okay. Your level 1, you're going to earn 10% of what they do. Now, the whole idea of this concept, this strategy, is that presuming that everyone does the same thing. Now, this is not a perfect world, so you're going to get people that don't do anything. You're going to get people that kick ass and just go for it and just work like crazy. So it's not going to be perfect. But in this example, there's no income guarantees, no income claims here. In this example, we're going to assume that everyone is going to have 10 direct referrals, and everyone is going to teach their team how to do this, and everyone is going to share the strategy, and everyone is going to earn 100 WowCoins per day. Okay, so make sure that you actually share this video with your team so they can learn how this works and how much potential income they can earn with WowApp. All right, so again, you're going to earn 10% of what your level 1 referrals earn. So if they earn $1 a day each, 100 WowCoins per day, that means that you're going to earn 10 cents you're going to get paid 10 cents a day for each of them, which is going to be $1 a day. Now remember, 1 cent is 1 WowCoin. 100 WowCoins is $1, so they're interchangeable. Under level 2, okay, you're going to get paid 5% of what they bring in, what they earn. And with level 2, you're going to end up with 100 referrals, because your level 1, 10 of those people are each going to get 10. So that's going to be 100 people under level 2. So 5% of 100 is 5 cents times 100 people. That's $5 you've earned on level 2. Level 3, you're going to get paid 2.5% of their earnings. On level 3, you're going to have 1,000 referrals, 1,000 people in your downline. Okay. Level 3, that's 0.025 cents, so about 2.5 cents, times 1,000 members. That's $25 that you're going to earn. Your level 4, 1.25%, which is 1.25 cents per person, but that's times 10,000 members. So you times that by 10,000, that's $125 on that level alone. Level 5, okay, you're getting paid 0.62% or 0.0062 of a dollar. That's less than a penny. But that's times 100,000 members, because remember, each level, each person is referring 10 people, okay? That's going to come up to $620 in earnings for you for that level alone. Level 6, 0.31% or $0.0031, which is, again, less than a penny, but that's times 1 million members. Right? Now, that totals out to $3,100 for you in earnings for that level. All right? Now, you see how it's starting to get kind of crazy here. So level 7. Level 7, 0.15% times, this time you're going to have 10 million members, and again, this is assuming that everybody refers 10 people. Okay, it's gonna be fluctuating here a little bit, but this is assuming that everyone gets at least 10 members. That's $0.0015, or again, less than a penny, but times that by 10 million members, and that is $15,000 in earnings for you. Okay. Now we're at level 8. This is the last level of your downline. 0.15%, again, that's $0.0015, or again, way less than a penny. But that's times 100 million members, okay? Take that, and that comes out to $150,000 in earnings for you, okay? That's just on that level alone, okay? Now, total of all generations equals $168,877, and folks, that is per day. Okay, now, even if you hit that per month or per year, okay, that's awesome. This is figuring out everyone gets 10, everyone earns 100 WowCoins a day, which is $1 a day, comes out to $168,877 per day. Again, no income claims, no promises, no guarantees. This, again, is an example of how it would work if everybody did the exact same thing, got 10 referrals, and everybody trained their team to do the same, and everyone did just 100 WowCoins a day. Okay, that's like 2 offers. Okay, or maybe a survey or 2. That's it. You're done for the day. Okay, that's like less than 15-20 minutes work. Now, that comes out to $5,066,310 per month in a typical average 30-day month, which comes out to $61,640,105 per year based on 365 days. Okay, so on a leap year, you're going to get an extra payday. Okay, 365 days equals 61 million plus dollars, right? So, because I hope you can see the potential in this strategy, how simple it is. Okay, first of all, how easy it is to do, and how massive your income can grow when you focus on simply earning your WowCoins, referring others, and teaching your team to do the same. Okay, that's it. You earn your WowCoins each day, 100 WowCoins. You refer members, okay, and you teach your team to do the same. Okay, so, well, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe because I post videos every single day on internet marketing, ways to make money online, and ways that are going to help you become a successful home business entrepreneur. If you're not signed up with Wowapp yet and you found this video through YouTube search or maybe a link that I send out, go and click the link in the description to get signed up. If, however, someone sent you to this video, make sure you get back with them to sign up through their link. Okay, we want to make sure we keep the integrity going. Make sure you sign up with their link if they referred you. And if you guys would like to see my recommended resource for making money from home, go and click the link in the description, and I'll share more with you on how you can do that. And again, with that, guys, thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next Wowapp training and in my next video. Have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.